So essentially what we're doing here is we're changing out the water piece here that's broken. It's the water dispenser bit that was broken by some tenants that live in this property, used to live in this property. So we had to take out the face, we had to take out the tray. First the tray comes out, you gotta really pry that out. Be careful you don't break it because it's plastic. And then in this bit you gotta take out, there's a couple of screws in there. Then you gotta take a couple of other screws out here to get access to back here. This is the water line. And then you have 2 screws here which you can release this, but that's that paddle, and then replace it and take that electrical bit out. So a bit complicated, but nothing we can't handle.